Imagine you're standing at the barricade, completely focused on the stage, when suddenly, Kim Taehyung walks straight toward you, not just a glance, not just a wave, but he stops inches away, locks eyes with you, flashes that signature smile, and without warning, pours a bottle of water all over you. For a split second, the entire world freezes. Your brain completely short-circuits while the crowd erupts into deafening screams. Even Jeon Jungkook turns around with the most shocked expression, unable to believe what just happened, while the other members burst into laughter at Taehyung's unexpected chaos. That single moment would instantly become one of the most unforgettable concert interactions ever, a scene replayed across every social media platform, sending the entire fandom into absolute meltdown. One unexpected splash, one mischievous smile, and suddenly the whole internet has a brand new legendary Taehyung moment to obsess over.